Good morning to my dear children of Standard 6th. Today we are going to study history, lesson number 5, religious trend in ancient India. Trends mean popular at a certain point. Today children we are going to study about Jainism, Buddhism, Judaism, Christianity, Islam, Zoroastrianism. Towards the end of the Vedic period, the minute detail of yajna rite acquired undue importance. Only the priestly class, priestly means the saint class, the sadhu class, has started and they know the religion. The children, during 599 BCE to 527 BCE. BCE means before Common Era. Before the arrival, India was around the influence of Vedic religion. Vedic religion was very famously known as Vedic period, as we have studied in our before chapter, Vedic civilization. Now children, today we will study about Jainism. Jainism was very famous that time. The founder of Jainism was Tirthankars. There were 24 Tirthankars. The last Tirthankar, Mahavira, was the last Tirthankar. Jainism was taught by the last Sant, Mahavir. Who was Mahavira? Vardhaman Mahavir. This religion gives importance to the principle of non-violence. According to the Jain tradition, a person who reveals religious knowledge was known as Tirthankar. Tirthankar means saint. Saint means sadhu. Vardhaman Mahavir was born in Kundagram, a part of Vaishali. His father's name was Siddharth and mother's Trishala. He belongs to a royal family. At the age of 30, he left his home. He practiced intense meditation, self-control, discipline, and imposed all sorts of strict rules upon him for attainment of knowledge. He gave to get the enlightenment after and get the knowledge. He went for a rigorous tapa. Tapa means a rigorous. He left all the enjoyment of his life as he belongs to a royal family. He sat for 12.5 years to get a pure knowledge of religion. While Jainism evolved on the Panch Mahavratas, so the people follows the 5 rules, like ahimsa means non-violence. No living being should be hurt, injured or harmed through one's behavior. Satya. Satya means truth. Every person to speak true and through action. Astya. Astya means non-stealing. Means not to take anybody's things. Steal. Steal means chori karna. Aparigraha. Aparigraha means non-attachment. Non-attachment, man tends to accumulate property due to the greed. We want more money, more houses, more use of more dresses, yes or no? So that was a parigraha. Tend to get more things. I should get more rich. So you should not be greedy. Brahmacharya means leaving bodily pleasure. Pleasure means whatever, like you feel like eating ice creams, chocolate, pizzas. So that time though this thing was not there, but whatever the desire for food, they leave that, and no company, all alone, feel only for the people's benefit. Brahmachari means living bodily pleasure like eating, sleeping, exercising. Now children, as we have studied about the Panchamahavratas, 3 Ratnas, right faith, right knowledge and right conduct. What was the essence of his teaching? Vardhaman Mahavir taught the people that the greatness of men does not depend on his excellent conduct, but on his knowledge. Had slowly been close to the woman, but Vardhaman Mahavir gave the right of sannyas, means the right to renounce the world. Even the woman, his teaching were love all living thing, leave and let others live. This was the teaching of Vardhaman Mahavir. Okay, in the next part we are going to conduct about Buddhism.